I think the best Christmas decorations in Southeast Asia are actually in Kuala Lumpur, and I'm lucky today because I have 2-3 hours to show you a little bit, at least in the mall, how does it look like, how cool are actually everything here. Even they have reindeers here. Cool. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Pavilion Kuala Lumpur, and their decorations. They are always famous for the decorations for any celebrations, Chinese New Year, Christmas, New Year and stuff. This time Christmas, and actually very cool music, nice decorations. There are reindeers actually here with the everything like this one. Really cool. And there are also a lot of nice decorations like this one. Here we go. Even they have a little birds and everything. And the Christmas tree is actually also so cool. I have to go up to show you from the top, but a lot of cool stuff. And there also, of course, the stairs and everything. So cool. Very cool, and a very Christmas holiday vibes here. As you can see, the music and everything. A lot of people coming and making pictures. Very cool. Like for Southeast Asian vibes, of course, and it must be in the mall. Of course, must be in the mall. But very cool. And this Christmas tree is actually cool. This is actually from the main lobby, the view. Really cool. I believe closer to the Christmas, and especially during the weekends, must to be super busy here, because I'm gonna tell you, for all of the places in Southeast Asia, those decorations are really cool. Really cool. I'm gonna tell you, cool. Christmas are coming soon. Also, that's the view from the second or third floor from the Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. How does it look like with all of this decorations and the Christmas tree, and how people hang out down there. Actually, it's not that busy though. Not that busy. On the weekends must be definitely busier. There's the dome when I just had a coffee actually, but forgot to film. And yeah, it's cool actually. Last year actually, when we were with Winny, we missed this. Unfortunately, it was already Chinese New Year, but this year at least I have opportunity to have a look and show also the video to Winny, obviously, right? So it's definitely cool. Also seems like outside a lot of is going on. Definitely I have to show you this one. So I'm just gonna get the card here. This is the situation outside. There is the fake snow. It's 33 degrees, feels 38. But at least in Malaysia they really like to celebrating the Christmas. There's decorations here together with Singapore, of course. That's both two places in Thailand, in Southeast Asia, who is doing really well. Thailand is also not too bad. Bali a little bit less, unfortunately, regarding the Christmas decorations for many various reasons. And the Cartier is sponsoring today also this fountain and this fancy looking billboard 3D also here advertising the watch. A lot of interesting things is going on. A little bit quieter, but it's in the middle of the week, which is actually even better for me today, so I can peacefully stroll a little bit around and show you perhaps 360 degrees here what's going on today. I will stop actually and show you people actually coming, making pictures like this one. Very cool. Billboard is very cool with the Chanel this time. It's like 3D. It's very modern city actually, Kuala Lumpur, especially the city center and a few other states. I made also here like more than 70 videos in Kuala Lumpur, in Malaysia in general. If you're interested to have a look, maybe perhaps you can have it, this playlist on my YouTube channel as Malaysia, and you can find so many interesting videos since the last 2 years, obviously. And yeah, it's cool. Also gonna get inside actually a little bit of the mall, but where is the middle wing, there is also a lot of nice restaurants what I would like to show you. And there is the main entrance where I've been previously actually. So also, as you see, really a lot of people coming to making pictures like this one. So cool. And also a lot of branded shops you can find here, like the Coach perhaps. So everything is going on there. There's like action, and you can go inside and you can get inside the mall, or you can walk like on the walking streets which is connecting between the malls, and you can find a lot of interesting places like bars restaurants, and a lot of things going on. People hang out in the middle of the week. Very end of November, beginning of the December, technically. A lot of expats living in Kuala Lumpur as well. Really a lot. Christmas decorations. The chandelier is cool. Very European style actually. And a lot of interesting shops you can find here. Cafes like Arabica perhaps. And Red Tail by Zook. That looks cool actually. Some nice restaurants perhaps. And quite a lot of people actually hanging out here. Where is the food options? I can tell you they opened the Five Guys here recently. I think it wasn't like that last time, which is cool. A German sports bar. You can have a beer shower. Kuala Lumpur actually it's cool. I always like Kuala Lumpur. Unfortunately we couldn't stay here last time for a longer. We decided to go to Bangkok. But like I said, me and Winny, we met in Kuala Lumpur for the very first time. So, you know, it's always a special place. And Starbucks, of course. We're actually in the direction where I'm walking right now. If you will walk for about 10-15 minutes, you can walk on the sky bridges up to KLCC and KLCC Surya, which is like connected by the links. But I'm not gonna walk today because I have no time for that. But Paris Baguette. A lot of interesting things you can find here. And yeah, the vibe of Kuala Lumpur looks like this one. You just like to notice this is just middle of the week and there is no any high season recently, no nothing like that. So it's cool. Actually cool to be back, at least even for just few hours. And they even have a peaceful little coffee shop, Ini Cafe. Since 1923, that's the very good Italian coffee, highly recommended. Cafe shop looks very simple, but it's nice. And Royal Selangor, some Malaysian delivery. Alright guys, that was very quick break in Kuala Lumpur, only in Pavilion because I had very limited time today. Very cool decorations actually. I have to say, I really like it. I really like it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia during the Christmas edition. Even a little bit shorter video today, but I hope so you enjoy, because this one was actually one thing what I missed after being so many times here. Never filmed the decorations, Christmas decorations like this one. So thanks so much. See you tomorrow on next video. As always. See ya.